Okay, here are 5 stocks that I'm currently invested in that offer a great return on your money. Okay, so I will keep this video very short and sweet. I'm going to give you 5 stocks that I'm personally invested in. First one being Amazon. We all know Amazon's not going anywhere as a company. Most things ordered on the internet come from Amazon. It's a huge company, not going anywhere. They just produced their biggest Prime Day this past year, 2023. The company's growing, and it has pulled back a lot since all-time highs. So from where it stands now, back to all-time highs, which is from roughly $138 to $188, it offers nearly a 40% return on your money. Now, does it mean that it's just going to automatically recover all the way up? No, but it does mean that we are in a great buying opportunity stage, as the company is, like I said, is not going anywhere. It's a great company. Ask anybody if they've ever used Amazon in the US. I guarantee you will have trouble finding one person that has not used it. Okay, number 2 being Tesla. I know everybody talks about Tesla. You know, it's an easy stock that people are saying is just gonna boom. But let's think about it realistically. Who's the leader of the electric vehicle wave? It's Tesla, obviously. And what is the United States, as well as a lot of other places, what are they really pushing for? That sustainable energy stuff. They really want to push this electric vehicle stuff. I know in California, by 2035, as that's where I stay in California, you're not going to be able to sell any new vehicles unless they are electric. So obviously, why would we not pick the leader of the wave, Tesla? And from where it sits now, at roughly, what does that say, 245 up to all-time highs of 414.50. Keep in mind, this is after the stock split. It offers roughly a 67% return on your money. And like I said, we've pulled back a lot. If you were able to get in down here at this $100 range, you would have already made well over 140% on your money. And to all-time highs from that is a 300% return. So Tesla, great buying opportunity as it stands. I would like to see a little bit more pullback in the market before it does rise. But if you're in it for the long game, right now, it's an excellent buying opportunity. Tesla's not going anywhere either. We all know Elon Musk, great businessman, richest man in the world. You don't get that by accident. Okay, SoFi. This is a relatively new company. You know what? This one is a 50-50 for me. It really is. But I'm sharing this because I'm personally invested in it heavy. I'm in around $4.80 per share. Currently, the stock is sitting at $8.79 after Friday's close. So to all-time highs from where it stands now, it offers over a 200% return. And this is, it went up there after the stock IPO'd. It's found its value roughly between $4. It was trading $4 and $6.50. So does the stock have a lot of upside potential? Absolutely. But like I said, the company is fairly new. I do like what they're doing with the whole banking stuff, as well as their crypto scene, how involved they are in the crypto scene. Plus, like I said, I'm from California. I love their stadium. But yeah, this one, if it does end up being one of the future leaders in the banking, online banking, like the PayPal and stuff like that, especially with crypto, this one yields a huge opportunity to the upside. I do like it right now at the buying opportunity, but I would like it to pull back just a little bit more with the general market, as I do believe the general market might see a short-term downside in the coming weeks, possibly months. Okay, coming in at number 4, I'm looking at Walgreens. I'm gonna be honest. I'm relatively new to the whole investing scene, but I've been producing very well on my day trading stuff, and I've been learning so much. And one thing I want people to understand is from my knowledge that I've gained is while everybody is stocking up on the technology stocks, NVDA continuing to hit all-time highs every couple weeks. Apple recently hit all-time highs over a month ago. They should be looking where are the good opportunities at to buy low and sell high. Yeah, NVIDIA is a great opportunity as well. But think about in 5 years, some of these companies that have pulled back significantly are at great buying opportunities. So I'm loading up on Walgreens. They recently hit 52-week lows. I'm really liking it. From where it's at right now to rough lows, it is a negative 29 to 31% loss on your money. But I'm looking to dollar cost average as it sees some downside. But the return on the upside is incredible. Over 200% if we do hit all-time highs. It's probably not going to be in the near future. But this is one of those companies as well. Huge leader in the pharmaceutical as far as like the consumer part of it. It's a great buying opportunity. Like I said, when money's flowing, just continuing to push up into into the technology sector, you should be looking at these other companies that are having heavy pullbacks. Same thing. Boom. We'll take a look at NVIDIA because I know you guys remember during all the COVID stuff. Look at that huge pullback that it had. And it's funny because everybody was getting worried. Oh no, technology's selling off. It went down from all-time highs of roughly $350 down to lows of almost $100. And that was a minus 70% on your money. But look at it now. From those lows up to where it's sitting now, over 350% return. And like I said, we'll go back to Walgreens. Walgreens, similar, as technology is moving forward and up and up and up, these companies are selling off. Same thing happens. I'm not saying they're correlated that closely and they're heavily influenced by, a sell-off. One sells off, the other one goes up. But there's always buying opportunities in the market. You just have to pick the right ones, obviously. And is it worth the risk for you? Walgreens is worth the risk. 200% upside compared to 30% downside, where this this support level of roughly, where is that, $15, roughly $15, that's super worth it in my opinion. It's worth my risk tolerance. For you guys, I don't know, but it's a company worth mentioning. Okay, and this one as well, I'm talking about Boeing, ticker symbol BA. This company has pulled back a lot since recent highs. If for whatever reason we do start seeing war times coming upon us, from where the stock sits now, it's almost 100% return on your money. From where it sits at 223, all-time highs being at 443. This company deals with the production of military ships. So, there is fears of that type of stuff going on in the world in general. This is one of those companies where technical analysis, in my opinion, I'm not going to say it doesn't matter, but I'm just thinking about the fundamentals. This company is definitely worth the risk to invest in. Obviously, it sucks to profit off of those negative times, but at the same time, I have to protect myself and I have to be aware of the opportunities. And this one is one of those stocks that I think is at a great buying opportunity as well. It is approaching some resistance here, so I will be aware of that. But like I said, I'm going to allow this thing to do its thing. Look at from, years. It's just continued to climb. Obviously, it had a huge spike in 2017 area, all the way towards early 2019, where it ultimately sold off hard 2020. But yeah, those are my 5 companies that I'm heavily invested in. If you guys want to see more of these every month, let me know in the comments. I know it's not super in depth, but just sharing, just sharing what I'm looking at. If you guys have some companies you're personally looking at, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I need to. Peace.